Hey, this is Mateo Garcia with Be Nice Media. Does anybody out there use MailChimp? MailChimp's a great tool to use to send email campaigns, to keep a CRM. You can also set up landing pages, Facebook ads. There's a lot of options that you can do now within MailChimp. The first thing, if you don't have a MailChimp account, go to MailChimp. .com, create an account. It's free. It only takes a couple minutes to set up. Once you set up, you're going to want to create an audience. An audience is going to be your list of subscribers, contacts. You know, a lot of times you're doing a MailChimp account, or you have a website to try to get subscribers, but a lot of people don't realize that they probably have a lot of contacts or people that want to hear from them right within their current email system. If you're using Gmail, your work email, anything like that, I would go through there, see what contacts are important to you, and start your list with them. You can import a group of contacts. So if you have those contacts within Gmail, you can export them and then import them within into your MailChimp account. Or you can also add contacts, one by one, and put their email address, whatever other information that you want to keep on them. Once you have a list of contacts, you can create a campaign, and a campaign can be an email campaign. It can be an automated a campaign. It can be a postcard campaign. Here's some emails that maybe I sent previously. This was a email about buyer and seller landing pages. This email actually works good with the MailChimp account, because you could create, say, landing pages such as these, all within MailChimp. These are easy to edit, and when people fill out any information here, it'll feed directly into your audience within MailChimp. So a lot of people spend a lot of money on a big website or spend thousands of dollars on landing pages. You can create that all within MailChimp. The first thing you're going to do is always create a campaign. And once again, a campaign can be an email, an ad, a landing page. You can create a postcard. And once you decide what type of campaign you want to create, we're going to do an email. I'm going to do test email campaign. Oops, my spelling's not good here. You can also set up an automated. You can do automated emails within MailChimp, where, hey, if somebody subscribes to your list, they get an automated email immediately. If somebody clicks on a link, they get another email sent to them. Once again, all this is free within MailChimp under 2,000 contacts. So once we decide what type of campaign, we're gonna put who we're gonna send the overall campaign to. These are all your lists or your overall audience. We're gonna send to all subscribers, but you can segment into a certain group. We always try to personalize if we do have their first name. Who it's from is going to be, once your first name or your business name, and the email address that you would like them to reply to, if they do reply directly to the email. It's simple enough, a subject line, something to get their attention. Usually I say with a subject line, don't try to be too fancy because people are going to get mad. I'd be straight to the point. Hey, great house inside in Scottsdale. Take a look at this exclusive offer. When you do stuff like, did you see this? Did you miss me? And then some people can get turned off because they maybe got tricked into opening the overall email. Once you decide what you're going to send, you can create your own custom email. And that's going to be what you're going to do like the first time. Okay. And then you're going to save that as a template. So I have a couple here. Let me just go through this one. This was one that I set up for a real estate agent, where I send out some emails for him, and then I save this as a template for them to use as well. Apologize, my computer's running a little bit slow here, but once you get the template, once you get the email opened, this is a saved template here, but it's pretty easy. You can drag and drop. Hey, if you want to put an image here, and then you can browse your current uploads, or you can upload from your computer. So it's pretty easy, no coding. You can whatever text, and then just type in like you would normally would. And once you have the email saved, you can save and close, and then you're ready to send it. Okay, so you can send it to your list. Actually, mine is not saying it's ready to send because I don't have a subject line. Okay, so I'm not going to send this email, but MailChimp kind of makes sure that you're doing everything properly and you have everything sent out there. You could tweet out and also share this email via Facebook and Twitter once you connect your accounts there. So really, once you send one email to your list, you can get it pushed out to Twitter, Facebook. I think there's an Instagram option as well. So I'm going to finish this later. A couple other things. Let me go to another account. You can check out what stats and things people are keeping. This is a new account I just set up for a real estate investor. His main campaign we have going on is this cash buyers list. Okay. And it'll show, so this was the page that I showed over here, that we've been sharing on Facebook, social media. He's texted out to a few people just to make sure they want to join his email list. So this was a landing page created through MailChimp, and then all the subscribers feed right into the audience here. But it gives you a report on how many visits, how many clicks, things like that there. So you can really use this MailChimp and these landing pages rather than have a website. There's a lot more things you're able to create: ads, once again, postcards, social media posts. So if you're not using MailChimp or you don't have a CRM, I would highly recommend it. If you need any help setting all this up, once again, MailChimp is free, but I'm more than happy for you to hire our company to set all this stuff up for you. What we would do is set up some audiences, get a few email templates set up, a couple landing pages, and a couple email campaigns, and provide you some training here. I'll put some links in the video for that. Thanks for watching the video. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.